We're in Atlanta, Michigan for Snowdrift Rally and to kick off the 2024 ARA Rally season. We're looking to build off the success of last year and showcase the progress we've made toward team communication, strategy, and driving ability. And ultimately, we intend to defend the National Limited Two-Wheel Drive title. We've introduced a new look for the 2024 season with an aggressive war paint-inspired design that includes some of the original molten orange color we ran with all of last year. We're happy to announce we're continuing our 2023 partnerships with Diode Dynamics and Panda Motorworks. And for 2024, we've formed new partnerships with Pagid Racing, Argonaut Motor Club, Ultimate Knowledge Institute, and 41 Red. With their support, we'll attend all 8 national rally events across the United States. For behind-the-scenes looks into our 2024 season and to follow along, check out our Garage126 racing accounts on Instagram and YouTube. We're excited to compete to our fullest potential, drive this car at its absolute limit, and stand atop the podium along the way.
After completing testing, we headed back to get the car re-prepped and ready for tech inspection. The 126 Fiesta passed tech with flying colors, and we have the green light to go racing.
2024, ready to do it again. We're here at Snowdrift Rally, first national championship race of the season. Not so much snow this year, but we're looking to take it to the competition. Lots of competitors this year in L2, so it's going to be a fun time for everybody, and we're looking forward to bringing it back again. So this year is definitely not so much snow. Thankfully, we have 2 days of recce this year, so we were able to look back at some video, as well as run them some of the stages twice on 2 different days. So lots of snow degradation, going more towards thick mud even. That definitely changes tire choice as well as grooving the tires. So we had some excellent help from the crew grooving those tires out, and we're ready to hit it.
So new year, new season. How does it feel to be back as reigning class champions?
It feels great, but also I still feel like I have a lot to accomplish. To be fair, I'd be lying if I said that wasn't really on my mind at all. It's more restart, back to the grind, trying to just perform to the best of my ability.
So this is Snowdrift, and you did some preseason training in the snow, but conditions are a little bit different. So what are you doing to adapt your game plan?
Yeah, although we're not driving on glare ice, I'll say there's still a lot to take away from the time we spent training earlier this year. And I'd say earlier inputs, turning the wheel earlier, braking earlier, separating those inputs, focusing on head movement, all those things. Not turning the wheel too much, letting the brakes do a lot of the positioning and changing the attitude of the car. It all applies. So I think that seat time was still very valuable.
short, 4 left, 40. Care, 3 minus right, 60. That's care, 3 minus right, 60 here. Short, 5 minus left. And short, 5 right, 50 slick. Short, 6 minus left, 50. Short, 4 plus right. Into short, 4 left, 100. Six right tightens, 4 plus, over 100. Now 4 left. Kinks 140. 4 right slippy, 50. 4 right over 80. Now turn, 4 left over crest, neat. Turn 4 left over crest, neat here. 40 crest into short, 3 plus left. 3 plus left here. 40. Slowing brow and 4 left into 3 left. 60. This is your 4 left. Into 3 left, 60. 4 left opens over small crest, 60 here. Short, 6 left opens over brow. Into 6 minus right over 100. Into short, 6 left, 40. Short, 6 right, 60. Short, 6 minus left, keep left, 160. Turn square right, slippy, 220 here. 4 plus right, half long, 160. Small brow, 100. Slight left, 100. Slowing, small crest down, 4 right, into turn 3 minus left, slippy. That's 4 right, into turn, 3 minus left, slippy. 100. It's crest and short, 5 left, slowing, 50. Short, 5 right, turn 5 right, 60. 6 minus left, tightens, 4 plus, snowy, 80. Tightens, 4 plus here, snowy.
All right, so first service, how was the first 3 stages? Any concerns? Do you feel like your preseason training helped any?
Just to have recently been in a car on loose surface, not having full control, a lot of understeer. Yeah, I'd say it helped, but this is a whole different type of set of conditions for sure. Stage 1, it was very powdery, and dry, surprisingly. But you're just so much wheel spin, and it was all about managing wheel spin and just kind of getting an understanding what the conditions are. Stage 2, I made a couple mistakes. I didn't really trust my distances, and so backed off or was braking a little bit earlier than I should have been. So that cost us a few seconds here and there. But stage 3, I put it all together. I was feeling good, just locked in, and I think we finished this loop pretty strong.
Are you making any changes to your notes from what you made at Recce? How are the conditions out there?
Yeah, so the first stage we had a couple of note changes. So a lot of them were just slippy surface changes or some corners that kind of nipped a little bit more than others. But the other 2 stages, not a ton of changes, just mostly distances for braking and entry points and stuff like that.
Is it harder to call notes in these varying conditions like this, or how's that?
Not really. I would say we got the light and we're rocking and rolling out there. He's listening, and I can't really ask for a better driver, so all
Awesome.
good there.
Good luck out there for the second set of stages.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 50, turn 1 right. 30. Crest 380. Short 4 minus right. Kinks 300. Kinks 300 here. Short 3 plus right. That's short 3 plus right. 380. 50 slowing. 3 minus left, tightens 2. That's 50 slowing here. 3 minus left, tightens 2. 240. 4 minus left, tightens 3. Coming up is 4 minus left, tightens 3. Opens. Then tightens narrow. Into 4 right over 60. Into short 6 left, 40. Short 6 left here, 40, dip, 6 minus right over brow, 100. Slight right over finish. Slight right over finish here, to short 4 right.
All right, day 1 of Snowdrift Rally in the books. How you feeling?
Good. Yeah, we wrapped up the second loop. We had a good night overall. Stage 4, I felt like we were really moving compared to stage 1, which is the same stage, but we were down on our time. I think really just getting bogged down in the tight turns, the 1s and the 2s, and having trouble getting out of them just because it's just kind of just so churned up there. But stage 2, I think we were really on a good pace, and I made a little mistake, and we broke my focus a little bit, and we had a little spin. So I think we lost about 10 seconds there. Stage 3, we just put it down and ended the night on a high note for sure. So we're really happy to get this day out of the way, or this night out of the way. These stages were definitely something that could wreck the car for sure. So we were on the limit and sliding around in 5th gear a lot on the straight. So really looking forward to tomorrow and being able to just be clean, but be really fast and bring it home.
All right, here we are, Snowdrift day 2. What is your biggest challenge going into today?
Yeah, so today is a little bit faster. We have a lot more stage miles as well. We also are going to have the power stage, which is a longer stage towards the end of the day, which is going to be night. So we have a couple different obstacles. The first one is earlier in the day. We probably are going to have some ice in the beginning of the stages. Possibly going to turn into mud. We'll see when we get there, but more of the same attack strategy though. So we're running the groove gravels, and we're going to be cautious on our turns. We set our brake zones well. Then the goal is to keep up the speed in the straights. So we're ready to rock and roll day 2, get some more miles in, and we'll see you at the podium.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 100 here. Slippy short, 5 minus left over crest, 40. Slippy, 5 right tightens, 4 over 100. 100. 2 plus left, neat. That's 2 plus left, neat, into brow, and short 5 minus right over crest, opens, now short 4 left, 60. Slight left over brow, 50. Short 5 minus right, into care crest, now 4 left tightens, now square left. So that's 4 left tightens, now square left, kinks 60. 4 plus left over 60. 50. Brow 80. Brow 60. Wide. 4 plus left tightens over 80. 120. Brow 60. Wide. 4 plus left tightens over 80. 120. Long small crest 180. Small brow 200. Short 5 plus right 160. You see it? That's short 5 plus right 160. This is short 6 left kinks 150. Is that the brakes?
No.
We're rubbing on something then. Wide 6 left nips over 140. Slowing into
We're having a
brow.
problem.
It's clutch. Slowing into brow, now neat. 5 left, now braking. Crest, now short, 4 left. 120. Braking into square right at the bottom. Braking into square, turn right at the bottom. So we're almost at the finish. After this is the finish.
I don't have second gear.
Okay, go for another one then. This is a little bit of finish after this.
I don't have a gear.
Oh boy.
Did we cross?
Technically, yes.
We gotta get out and push.
Yep.
You gotta push me.
That's the clutch.
It's stuck.
All right, Sean, what happened?
We were about 2/3 of the way through the stage. Started revving really high on a straightaway. The car's being weird, and then I couldn't downshift, so I couldn't put the car in gear. And we got right around to the finish, and we could literally see the finish board, and I had no power. I couldn't move the car, so we just inched across. Like the last 20 seconds was us like moving maybe 15 feet over the finish line, and I think we broke the clutch, so our rally's over. It's all right.
We'll get her fixed, and we'll get you back out there.
Yeah, we actually got a stage time, and it was a pretty good time, and we probably lost 25 seconds at least. So it is what it is. We'll be back.
The clutch failure did unfortunately result in a DNF for this event. The timing of this part failure left us with no choice but to retire the car for the weekend, as we were left with no opportunity to earn points, even if we were able to replace the clutch. Although Snowdrift didn't end the way we wanted, we are now turning our attention to the 100 Acre Wood Rally in March. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those results, as we will be back in full force with some ground to make up.